Most people think a minor accident is no big deal. A little bump, a cracked bumper, maybe a dented fender. The car still drives, so they figure they can deal with it later. But here's the truth. What you do in the first few minutes after a fender bender can make a big difference in how smoothly everything goes after that. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. And today I want to give you 5 simple things you should do right after a minor accident. Number 1, make sure everyone is okay. That comes first, always. Before you think about the car, the insurance, or the inconvenience, check on yourself, your passengers, and the other driver. If anybody is hurt, call for help right away. Number 2, take photos, and take more than you think you need. Get pictures of the damage on both vehicles. Take wide shots of the scene. Get the license plate, the position of the cars, any skid marks, signs, or intersection details. A lot of people only take 1 or 2 close-up photos of the damage, and later they realize they didn't document the full situation. Number 3, exchange information carefully. Get the other driver's name, insurance information, phone number, and license plate. Stay calm and stay respectful. You do not need to argue about who was right or wrong on the spot. Just gather the information clearly and completely. Number 4, do not assume the damage is only cosmetic. This is where people get caught off guard. A bumper may look like it only has a scrape or a crack, but underneath there can be broken clips, damaged supports, alignment issues, or hidden structural impact. Just because a car still moves does not mean everything is fine. And number 5, get the vehicle looked at by a reputable auto body shop as soon as possible. Not next week, not when you finally have time, as soon as you can. Why? Because small damage can turn into a bigger headache when it's ignored. Also, the sooner a professional sees the vehicle, the sooner you get clarity on what is really going on. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, one of the things we try to do for our customers is remove confusion. After an accident, people are already stressed. They do not need more guesswork. They need straight answers, a clear explanation, and a repair team that takes the situation seriously. So if you have had even a minor accident, do not brush it off too quickly. Check safety first. Document everything. Exchange information. Do not assume the damage is minor just because it looks minor. And get your car inspected by people who know what to look for. If you need honest guidance after a fender bender, come see us at Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. We'll help you understand what your car needs and help you take the next step with confidence.